Okay. But our parents வந்து Maggie எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay, no problem. Which is your favorite toy? Option. Teddy bear or dog or a cat?
Teddy bear.
Okay, very good. Which is your favorite animal? Dog, cat or lion?
Cat.
Dog எழுதிருக்கீங்க. Okay. Okay, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Annie.
Okay, Enshika எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay, which is your favorite color? Option தானே. White, blue, yellow, orange.
Orange.
Okay, very good. Correct answer. For Polkartika, 2 points. Which is your favorite food? Puri, idli or dosa?
My favorite food is puri.
Okay, correct answer. Okay. Which is your favorite toy? Barbie doll, teddy bear or car?
My favorite toy is Barbie doll.
Correct answer. Which is your favorite animal? Elephant, cat or deer?
Cat.
Okay, elephant and tiger எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Akshara.
Okay, Gautami எழுதிருக்காங்க. What is your favorite color? Pink, yellow or blue?
My favorite color is pink.
Okay, correct answer. So 3 points for Annie Catherine. What is your favorite food? Dosa. Okay, correct answer. Okay, which is your favorite toy? Car, ball or bat? Okay, correct answer. Oh, sorry, wrong answer. Car and ball எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay. Which is your favorite animal? Dog, lion or tiger?
Lion.
Okay, dog எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay, who is your best friend? Okay, one more person. One more person?
Annie.
One more person. வேற யாராவது சொல்லு.
கௌதமி, செல்வமித்ரன், மதிகன்,
Saravithan.
Okay, listen. Correct answer. Which is your favorite color? Pink, red or yellow? Okay, pink எழுதிருக்காங்க. So you have 2 points. 2 points for Darshika எழுதிருக்காங்க. Good. Okay, Balagavishka, what is your favorite food? Fried rice, noodles or curd rice? Okay, correct answer. Fried rice. Okay, which is your favorite toy? Teddy bear, dog or cat? Okay, correct answer. Give her a huge round of applause. Okay, which is your favorite animal? Dog, lion or tiger?
Tiger.
Okay, dog எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Akshara.
Okay, பொன்னி எழுதிருக்காங்க. What is your favorite color? Pink, white or violet? Pink எழுதிருக்காங்க. So you have 2 points. For Balagavishka, 2 points. Give her a big round of applause. Selvamithran, what is your favorite food? I will give you options. Okay, biryani, noodles or fried rice? Biryani. Correct answer. Okay. Which is your favorite toy? Train, car or bus? I'll give you options, okay? Idli, dosa or biryani? Idli. Okay, biryani எழுதிருக்காங்க. Okay, which is your favorite toy? Car, JCB or train?